Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 exaggeration phrases also known as hyperboles in English. Number 1. I've told you a million times. It means I have repeated these many times. Example, I've told you a million times to lock the door. Number 2. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. It means I am extremely hungry. Example, after skipping lunch, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Number 3. This bag weighs a ton. It means this bag is very heavy. Example, my backpack weighs a ton after I pack all my books. Number 4. I've been waiting forever. It means I have been waiting for a very long time. Example, we've been waiting forever for the bus. Number 5. I laughed my head off. It means I laughed a lot. Example, that joke was so funny, I laughed my head off. Number 6. It's freezing in here. It means it is very cold in this place. Example, please close the window, it's freezing in here. Number 7. I'm drowning in work. It means I have too much work to do. Example, I can't go out tonight because I'm drowning in work. Number 8. That movie was the worst thing ever. It means the movie was extremely bad. Example, I hated it so much, that movie was the worst thing ever. Number 9. My phone battery dies in 2 seconds. It means my phone battery drains very quickly. Example, I need a charger because my phone battery dies in 2 seconds. Number 10. I'm so tired I could sleep for a year. It means I am extremely tired. Example, after the trip, I was so tired I could sleep for a year. That's all for today. Remember, these phrases are hyperbole, exaggerated for effect, not meant to be literal. If this lesson helped you, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.